Hello! So today we are all going to sing the insects and bugs song together. So are we all ready? Here we go. What is this? An ant. The ants on the grasses all march, 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 march. The ants on the grasses all march, 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 all day long. The bees around the flowers all buzz, 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 buzz. The bees around the flowers all buzz, 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 all day long. The fireflies at night all blink, 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 blink. The fireflies at night all blink, 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 all night long. Caterpillars on the grasses all creep, 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 creep. Caterpillars on the grasses all creep, 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 all day long.